Hello everyone. Welcome to Cyber Today Academy. Today we will talk about REST API. In this lesson, we explain what is REST API and how it works. Let's start with: what is REST API? A REST API, also known as RESTful API, is an architectural style for an application programming interface (API) that uses HTTP requests to access and use data. That data can be used to get, put, post and delete data types, which refers to the reading, updating, creating and deleting of operations on concerning resources. REST stands for Representational State Transfer and was created by computer scientist Roy Fielding. What's an API? An API is a set of definitions and protocols for creating and integrating application programs. It is sometimes referred to as an agreement between an information provider and a user of information, the creation of the content requested by the consumer, the call and the content requested by the producer, the response. For example, a weather service API can specify that the user enters a zip code and the information producer reply with a two-part answer, one being high temperature and the second being low. What is REST? REST is a collection of architectural constraints. API developers can implement REST in several ways. When a client request is made via a REST API, it transmits a representation of the resource's state to the requester or endpoint. This information is delivered in one of many formats via HTTP, JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, HTML, XLT, Python, PHP, or plain text. JSON is the most popular file format to use. It is language neutral, plus it can be read by both humans and machines. How RESTful APIs work. A RESTful API breaks down a transaction to create a series of small modules. Each module addresses a part of the transaction. This provides a lot of flexibility. A REST API uses commands to return resources. The state of any resource at any time called representation. A RESTful API uses existing HTTP methodologies defined by the RFC 2616 protocol, such as get to retrieve a resource, put to update a resource, post to create that resource, delete to remove it. Data formats the REST API supports include application JSON, application XML, application XW plus XML, multipart form data. Here we reach the end of lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. Goodbye.